Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be reloading 9mm Makarov again, but this time with 380 brass. So 380 is 9 by 17 and 9mm Makarov is 9 by 18.
As you can see, it's noticeably shorter. We got 9mm Makarov and 380 on the right.
And the bullet I want to use is a Spear 95 grain total metal jacket. And in the Lyman book, they have a starting charge weight of 3.3 grains. I want to just go with 3.4 grains, and I want to test them in both cases. So we'll do the same load, compare it to a standard 9mm Makarov case. And we'll be using just Fiocchi small pistol primers, nothing special. So using quick load, I punched in the load date I want to try. And you can see that the 380 brass should have less pressure because of the shorter seating depth. Alright, that's enough talking. Now let's get to reloading. Alright, we're out at the range, and I do want to note that I put the factory recoil spring back in the gun because we were using auto comp last time and I had a heavier recoil spring. So hopefully these should cycle fine. And first up, we'll be testing just the standard Makarov brass. Alright, first up we have just standard 9mm Makarov with 3.4 grains of tight group. Actually pretty consistent. Definitely on the weaker side, but I kind of knew that going into this. It's just kind of more of a comparison. So nice. Let's move on to the 380 brass. All right, now on to 380 brass. Oh, we got a double feed. Try this again. All right, I'm getting something thrown back at me, hitting my face. Got a bunch of unburnt powder in the slide. So I'm not really sure what was going on there, but it was kind of unpleasant to shoot. I was getting stuff blasted back at me. I'm thinking unburnt powder or whatever, and the velocity was just all over the place. So maybe it was just too low of pressure, and maybe I need to up the charge a bit. And upping the charge, I did. We're gonna go to 3.7 grains this time, and hope nothing blows up. All right, 3.7 grains of tight group. Let's see if it's any better. Okay, that's a lot better. Still, the extreme spread is really high, but it felt a lot more comfortable to shoot. So is it possible to load 9mm Makarov with 380 brass? Yes. I don't know if it's worth it. And this is a small sample size, so I don't know if you would run into feeding issues or anything like that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.